meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
It is a cloudy day, but it's certainly a milder day. In many spots, our temperatures are running more than 20 degrees warmer than yesterday at this time. Looking at our Newport camera in North Scituate, that means a day of melting up here in our northwestern corner of the state. And our temperatures through the evening and night will be staying above freezing, so we won't need to watch for any refreezing during the evening or night. We're up to 36 now, Smithfield 39, Providence 41 in Newport. It is breezy, and those winds will continue to increase with some gusts between 20 and 30 miles per hour this afternoon, so it makes it feel between 30 and 35. For the upcoming storm, the thing I'm most concerned about is the heavy rainfall that'll be accompanied with it and the localized street flooding, poor drainage flooding that'll go along with it too, and that will have some travel impacts. We will have some gusty winds with it, could get some isolated wind damage or power outages as far as ice and snow. Now on the front side of the storm, there may be some patches of black ice by the time you wake up Friday morning as the cold air comes back in behind the storm. Live Doppler radar this noontime, showing a little bit of activity on the radar, but not getting any reports that this is actually reaching the ground. There may be a couple of flurries or sprinkles over the western parts of New England right now. We'll watch as that pushes eastward, but I expect overall for it just to be a dry and cloudy afternoon. One of the more notable things here will be the temperatures. This is 5 o'clock in the evening. Big difference from the last couple of evenings, upper 30s and low 40s. By 11 o'clock tonight, still on the rise, 44 degrees in Providence, and into the afternoon on Thursday we'll go from morning temperatures in the low and mid 50s to a few spots approaching 60 by lunchtime. The only trouble is it comes with all that wet and windy weather. Let's take a look at the storm once again. So the center of low pressure now over the central Great Lakes, and this will lift up towards Quebec. On that path, you can see the clouds on the increase, most of the showers through the day today. Again, a miss for us. As the evening and night goes on, we'll get at least a few lighter showers, areas of fog and drizzle, and we'll wake up to that for tomorrow morning's commute. Here's the big slug of rain. You can see it along and ahead of this cold front. It'll slowly press eastward, so downpours during the day through at least the mid-afternoon hours before that front clears and it moves away. So the heaviest rain, the strongest winds likely right around the middle of the afternoon. And we are looking at a soaker, 1 to 2 inches of rainfall likely with this storm, with some isolated amounts topping 2 inches. And so street flooding and poor drainage flooding, but also the potential for some smaller river and stream flooding, in particular watching the Wood River and the Pawcatuck rivers in South County. How the wind gusts with this. Again, strongest along the coastline. We do have a wind advisory, a high wind watch for areas from Fall River, New Bedford, out to Cape Cod, Newport, Jamestown under that high wind watch as well. So a stormy day for us tomorrow, but a mild one. High temperatures close to 60. Back to reality Friday, upper 30s for highs, and in the morning hours we'll be down below freezing for a few hours. So any damp spots may turn to some patches of black ice. Saturday is a dry and chilly day, staying in the upper 20s. As for Sunday, a sun and cloud mixture. Could get a scattered rain or snow shower, but it looks very minor. That system in the middle of next week, Tuesday into Wednesday. It's going to be track dependent right now. Looks like maybe some brief wintry weather before changing over to rain. Lots to keep you updated on in that 7 days we end January.
I know, it's crazy to think. The month's almost over. All right, thank you.